Hey! To make an online banner ad with Placeit.net, you simply go to the left-hand side of the menu bar and mouse over the category that you're interested in to reveal subcategories. In this case, the category is Designs, and the subcategory will be Banner Ads, or you can use the search bar. At the very top of this page, find this custom experience header, in which you can simply type in a heading, a subtitle, and your call to action button to see a preview of all the different online banner ads options available with your info on them. Choose your favorite, click on it, and personalize it. On the left-hand side, we're going to find the options for your text. Use the text box to write down your banner info. Need more? Click on the Add More Text button to have extra text boxes. This little check mark next to each text line allows you to get rid of that line if you don't want it. The little box below each one allows you to change the font style, and next to it, there is a color box, which allows you to pick the color for your text. If you want to select a specific color, just click on the More button to find that color, or just enter the hex code. You can also upload your logo by clicking the Upload Image button. On the right-hand side, you can change the frame, graphic, button, and background color to your liking, or enter the hex code by clicking the More button. Afterwards, select your graphic by simply clicking on it, or you can even have no image by clicking this button. For the background, you can upload a custom image by easily clicking this button. Remember that some of our templates support interactive editing, which means that you can step into the template and move some elements to your liking. If you want to go back to how it was just click the Reset Layout button on the top right corner of the template. Once the template is finished, scroll down to find more dimensions for it. Scroll even more and find other preset options in case you want to try a different one. And that's it. Click on the blue Download button at the top to get it.